Hello everyone, this is DR.console repair team from Hong Kong. Our first video coming mainly show you how to distinguish different 3D analog joystick and replace it. We have Sony series, Microsoft series, Nintendo series. First of all, let's look at PS2 and PS3 3D analog joystick. Very classic products. Almost haven't difference between original and made in China. Today, almost 3D made in China has replaced the original one. PS2 3D is bigger than PS3. Now comes to PS4 3D. The left one is made in China, the right one is original. And we can see they are definitely the same size. The main difference is the precision of the potentiometer. We suggest original game controller use original 3D. Actually, our factory always uses good quality OEM 3D like Puyao. Next is PS5 3D. Same as PS4, the volume and appearance almost haven't difference. Besides the accuracy of the potentiometer. Let's look at it this way. Microsoft series, Xbox 360 series. It is completely suitable for original Xbox 360 game controller. This is Xbox One 3D, and the other is Xbox One Elite. Xbox One is plastic rocker, Elite is metal rocker. Nintendo Joy-Con 3D. And this one is Nintendo Switch Pro Original 3D. Okay, next let's replace a new original 3D analog on the PS4 controller. Okay, we can see it is successful. That's all for our video. See you next time.